Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a loom beaded bracelet that is Canadian theme like this. So I hope you guys stick to the end and you'll be able to learn something new. My name is Tyke and welcome to the channel. So I'm going to take my fishing twine and I'm going to cut it to 4 sizes that are equal, like what you're seeing I'm doing here. I'm going to use 4 sizes, 4 pieces of this fishing twine that are going to be of equal size. So the easiest way to cut your fishing twine is using your lighter, like that, and then I'm going to make sure that the 4 pieces are aligned properly, and then I'm going to make a knot like that. So this knot will be the end knot, and then I make sure these 2 ends are cut, and I'm also going to cut them using my lighter. Just a second, I'm going to hit it there like that. So you make sure your tips look neat, and then now I'm going to fix this end over onto this nail here. So after making my knot there, I'm going to put it over this nail here, and then I come here over this nut, and then I stretch it, and then I lay it on here. So the key thing, you're also supposed to make sure that the fishing twines are kind of separate. I'm going to skip like 2 grooves and then put them there like that. I hope you can see. So this beginning bit is usually the slightly trickier bit, where you're supposed to have this fishing twine quite straight like that. You just need to be patient, and then once you've laid it over on the other end, like that. You should now then close it over on this end again, like that. So this is a temporary knot that you're going to open once you're done. So let me put it there so that you can see me tying the knot, like that. And then just make sure that it's secure, but something that you can open at the end of the day. Okay, so something like that. So your work you should have something that looks like this. Okay, this is how my work looks. Okay, and the grooves, and then the fishing twine is stretched over onto the other end like that. So you should have something that looks like that. Okay, so once you have that, now comfortably I can come to my beads. I'm using the size 10 seed beads. Okay, so this being the Canadian flag, I'm going to be using the red and white colors. Okay, so I'm going to use the nail cutter to open my beads there, and I'm going to pour them onto my working plate there, like that. So if it's your first time here, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can get more types of videos like this, and kindly also don't forget to hit that like button, for it helps grow the channel, and also it shows YouTube that you appreciated the work that went into creating this video. So kindly don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, so once you pour your beads there, you continue. So the next thing is I need a fishing line. I already showed you this fishing line and the materials required. So I'm going to open my fishing line. I already showed you how to open fishing line on previous videos. If your fishing line is like this. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to cut a very long fishing line. So this is something that's approximately 20 inches of length. Okay, then I'm going to cut it. So I have my fishing line. Then now we go to the beginning. At the very beginning, we are going to start with 3 beads. Okay, so we go on and pick 3 beads there. I'm starting with the red side. So as you can see, these are my 3 beads that I've picked, and then we come and put each one of them under one of these gaps like that. I hope you can see that clearly. So once you've done that, okay, so that is clear. So once you've done that, you pass this tip over here. You're going to leave a very short end, okay, and then this longer side you pass it above all the pieces like this.
2,000 years later.
So you should have your 3 beads there, like that, and then you proceed. You can pull them so that they can be tightly fitted like this. And then now this long fishing line that is above, you're going to take it below, and then we are going to go to the next bit. We are going to put 4 beads. So we pick 4 red beads, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after picking your 4 beads there, you're going to release them, let them come to the bottom here. So we're going to add 1 here, 2 at the center, and 1 at the very end. And by doing so, let me try and demonstrate that. So put 1 through here, like that. The fishing line has gone over the top 1 bead. Okay, and then pull it back. So you should have something like that. I hope you can see that clearly. And then you pull the fishing line, the line, and then you pass it that way. And then now you come over to the 2 beads, the 2 next beads there, like that. You pass the fishing line through the 2 next beads, like that, and then you pull. Okay, and then now you pass the fishing line through the last bead. So make sure they are close to each other, and then you pass it like that, and then you pull the fishing line there, like that. And then you pull, make sure everything is tight and close together. So make sure that they're tightly packed, very close together there, and then you pull. So remember the long side is over the beads there. So now we go under. We are going to pick 5 beads, still red. Remember, we are still beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we let them go through, and then we're going to come from on top and put them in the sequence. So the first gap, we're going to put 1 bead there through, like that. So you pass it over, but make sure that the fishing line still remains on top. Okay, so the first one, we've gone through it. Then the next are going to be 3 beads. Okay, so we go through the next 3 beads. So they're going to be put together like that. Okay, so then you pull the fishing line, and then remember to pass through the final 1 bead that is remaining. Okay, so we pass it through the final 1 bead there, like that, we've done that. So you pull it and then make sure that they're tightly fitting like that. Make sure that they're very close to each other, and also your fishing line is also very tight. Then you should have something that looks like this. So this is we've started making the wide shape. I already have one bracelet that I made. I'm going to show you. So we started here, so it's basically like this. So this is the first step, the second one, the third. Okay, so we are here. So the next one is this one, where we're going to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 beads in 2 2 2. Okay, so remember we are widening, so we're going to put 2 2 2, which makes 6. From below you come, pick your 6 red beads, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So once you have your 6 beads there, you're going to release them, and then you come above, and then you pass through. So for this first gap, you're going to pass through 2 beads. Okay, 2 beads like that. And then for the second one, you're going to pass through another 2 beads. Okay, and then the final one, you pass through the final 2 beads. Like that, and then you bring them close to each other, pull the bottom bit, so you should have something like that. Then you pull from the top. So I'm going to leave it here. We're going to resume on the next video to continue the whole length. If you liked this tutorial, this space, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit that like button. So thank you guys, and I really hope to see you on the next video as we continue making this beautiful Canadian loom beaded bracelet.